According to the outlier rule, what is the upper limit on outliers in the data set below? Okay, so the outlier rule says that if something is 1.5 times the IQR above the third quartile or below the first quartile, it is an outlier. So this is below 1.5 times the IQR below Q1 or 1.5 times the IQR above Q3. It could be either of these. That is a way to identify outliers in either direction. So first things first, in order to figure out if we have outliers, we need to find the IQR and we need to find Q1 and Q3. Here we're looking on the upper limit, so we're looking at this piece above Q3. Okay, so let's start by finding the IQR. It looks like our data that we have here is already in order, so we can just go ahead and start by finding the median. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 data points. So right between 40 and 40 here, that's our median, which means that our median is 40. But we don't really need to think about what the median is. We just need to use this to now break up the lower half of the data here to find Q1. So it looks like Q1 is 38. And now we need to take the upper half of the data here to find Q3, right in the middle there, which is 42. Okay, so now we can find the IQR, which is Q3, or actually let's color code this. IQR is Q3 minus Q1, and that is equal to 42 minus 38, which equals 4. Okay, so our IQR is 4. Now we're going to take our outlier rule of 1.5 times the IQR. So 1.5 times the IQR, which is 4. 1.5 times 4 is going to give us 6. So my outlier rule says that if I'm 6 above Q3 or 6 below Q1, that's an outlier. And again, we're looking for the upper limit here. So the upper limit, I'm going to take Q3, which is 42. I'm going to add 6, which is 1.5 times my IQR. And I get 48. So 48 is the upper limit of outliers. If I have anything above 48, that means it will be an outlier for this set. The lower limit, again, I would have just subtracted the 6 we found here. I would have subtracted that from 38 to get 32, and 32 would be my lower limit. But right now we're looking for the upper limit in this question, which is 48.